I'm Trini. It's in my roots. Yeah.
Is this your first carnival?
This is my first carnival. I'm very excited. I look great. Yeah.
And what do you expect?
A lot of whining, plenty jamming, just good vibes, you know. Fun people, great music. That's it, really. Bad parking.
And what do you expect from Carnival, Miami Carnival this year?
I actually don't know what to expect. You know, with COVID and everything, I don't know how it's gonna go, but I know it's gonna be amazing. So,
Okay, and say your name
Macaulay,
and spell it.
MKALI. Did I do well?
You did horrible.
I know. I was like stuttering. I didn't know what to say.
No, you were good. You were good.
Thank you.
When I come back around, if I have more questions, I come back. And you was the first one, so
Yeah, I don't know.
yeah. You want to say a couple of words?
Sure.
I'm gonna just put this on your.
Okay.